Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you what an initial public offering is and why do companies go public. So imagine that you have a business idea and that you want to start your business, right? So you need some funds in order to operate your business. So let's say a friend or your family member is interested in investing in your business. So we'll call this investment as an angel investment, and your friend or your family member who invests in your business will be an angel investor. Let's say that couple of years down the line, you are looking to expand your business a bit, right? So in this case, you'll not seek an angel investment, you'll seek a VC funding. Why is that? Because VC funding will give you more funds to operate with. Now, what do I mean when I say VC funds? So VCs are venture capitalists whose main business is to invest in other high growth potential businesses. There are multiple rounds in VC funding like Series A, B, C, and D, and you have to raise funds in each round. Now, let's say that after 5 years of hard work, you are looking to diversify your business a bit. You are looking to expand to the international markets as well as the local markets. Now, in this case, since you require more funds in order to operate, you will not look for a VC investment or an angel investment. Now, in this case, since you require a huge amount, you'll either go for a bank loan or you will apply for an IPO. I'll tell you what an IPO is, but let's discuss why you can't apply for a bank loan. First of all, banks are not interested in loaning you a huge amount of money. Second of all, the banks will charge you an interest. So let's say hypothetically, after you grab that loan, you make some losses. Now, even though you are making losses, you'll have to pay that high interest because of the loan that you took from the bank, right? So this is one of the reasons why businessmen don't take loans from bank. Now, let's discuss why a company should apply for an IPO. So IPO stands for initial public offering, and companies apply for an IPO because taking a company public means that public can invest in your company, right? So you can generate whatever number of funds you want, but at the same time you will not have to pay any interest to the public. Now let me tell you, how do public benefit from investing in your company. So whenever someone invests in your company, your market cap increases, and at the same time, you're obliged to offer your investors dividends. Now, dividends are something which you should offer to your investors in order to keep them happy. Think of dividend as a reward cash amount that is given to your investors in order to thank them for investing in your company. Now, why do companies go public? Two reasons. First is they don't have to pay high bank interest loans, and second of all, you have your own set of directors who decide which and what is the amount of dividend that you should give after your quarterly results. So that means that if you are making any loss, then it is not necessary for you to proceed with the dividends.